Okay, this is problem 8-6. So in this problem we are going to consider the we are going to compare the present worth of two alternatives. So as you can see that the values of the cash flows are given for this alternative A are in actual dollars and for alternative B in the real dollars. With a base year of 0. So if we want to find the present worth of these expenses, so what we can do is I can use the present worth equation, and then for each of these alternatives. So these are kind of irregular values, so you can use P over F factor for each of these alternatives. And but before I can use this actual dollar, so I need to use the proper interest rate. So since these are the actual dollars, we will be using the market interest rate for this, and these are the real dollars. We will be using the real interest rate. So as we can see that the interest rate is given, but what is this interest rate? The real interest rate is known, and the general price inflation is also given. So if we know the real interest rate and the inflation rate, then we can calculate the market interest rate by this equation. So input these values. Real interest rate is 0.08 plus the general inflation is 0.04 plus 0.04 multiplied by 0.08. So if you will calculate it, 0.12 plus this, so this will be 0.1232, 0.1232, or 12.32% is the market interest rate. So use this interest rate to find the present worth of alternative A. Present worth of alternative A will be equal to, since these are the expenses, so minus 120. Okay, so all the values are in thousand, so I will take 1000 out of these calculations to save space, and its present worth will be equal to 1.1232, then minus 132 divided by 1.1232 square minus 148 divided by 1.1232 cube and minus 160 divided by 1.1232 power 4. So if I calculate it, so the answer will be minus 416.444 kilo thousand, because I'm using the word kilo, so to represent thousand. So similarly, the present worth of B will be given by this equation. So it will be minus 100, and remember that since these are the real dollars, so we need to use the real interest rate, which is 8%. 110, 1.08 square, 120, 1.08 cube, 130, 1.08 power 4. So this will be minus 377.710 K. So if you compare these two present worth, so higher present worth is for alternative B. So present worth of B is greater than present worth of A. So if there is any choice to make, then alternative B must be chosen.